I'm not busy, you're busy. Look at all this stuff. All this stuff that I'm behind on reviewing. Guys, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So much stuff is coming in. I have so many things to review. A lot of stuff from a lot of people. What do you guys want to see? Let's keep it skate adjacent. But like, are there skate shoes that you really want to see me review? Or, I don't even know if I'd call it a review. It's kind of a first look. We're moving all this stuff out of the way. Because I mean, we're talking about the media, and we're talking about the social media. You know, clicks matter, views matter. This matters. So we're going to look at this thing first. Note Skate Shop is on the computer behind us. Note Skate Shop is out of Manchester, UK. Check them out. Go hit them up if you're in the area. They've got a fancy NikeSB coming out pretty soon. I think these things are 130 bucks and they release March 28th stateside. I'm not sure the UK release. They may have already released. I'm not even sure. But yeah. March 28th, 130 bucks. I think March 31st on sneakers. If you are only trying to hit on sneakers on the sneakers app, you're kind of blowing it because you could find your local skate shop and get it early. Isn't that crazy? And you don't have to pay those crazy prices for early pre-release. Whatever, here you go. This is the Note. You know what? Should I get the 9? We're going to look at the 9 instead of the 11.5. That's my size, 11.5. Here you go. This is it. NikeSB Dunk Low Pro QS Flax and Honeycomb Summit White. That's a lot of words, but here we go. This is it, guys. Dude, right off the bat, how sick. I can't believe, like, for 130 bucks, kind of surprising for a Dunk Low right now with all of these little additional pieces and parts. These things look like biscuits or cookies if you're here in the United States. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Oh. Yeah, there you go. The box comes with your NikeSB sticker slapped in there. And then of course you have your wood grain box paper. And the Note Dunk Low will arrive in this sale colored box, as it is a sale era box release, which also has purple boxes within that era. I don't know. I think they jumped the rail somewhere. Who knows? Whatever. 130 bucks. March 28th at finer skate shops in the United States of America. But look at how pretty this dang shoe is. You got your little tea bag hanging off right here. Looks pretty cool. NikeSB tea bag hang tag. This feels like it's a little leather hang tag, so it is not paper like you would find on a tea bag, but I'm pretty sure that is what it's representing. But these things are super nice. This material feels so good. Look at that. Let's go ahead and look at this toe box with your turn and stitch toe box right here. So the turn and stitch is just a type of construction that helps the toe box hold up, helps it withstand skateboarding just a little bit more, doesn't wear out as fast. So if these stitches pop on your toe box right there, the way this thing is sewn together will still remain, will still hold on. It'll hold on for dear life, but it will hold on. You have these cool, crispy, I guess like all over cookie print laces, so that's pretty sick as well. And then you have the Note logo on the back of the heel. On both heels, it looks like you have the Note Manchester on both heels, so that looks pretty cool too. Here is your NikeSB Dunk Low Pro tongue tag right there. It looks pretty good, pretty standard on that kind of gold woven label. Looks pretty sick. This is pretty cool. You got your little teacup stain on the outsole right there, and this is your updated outsole for skateboarding. So you got OG outsoles, you got SB outsoles, and sometimes SBs come with OG outsoles. But this is your traditional updated Nike SB outsole for skateboarding. So you have a little bit more grip built into the tread pattern. You also have this Phylon exposed area right here. It's exposing that Phylon midsole that gives you some extra support throughout the heel of the shoe. So yeah, that thing looks awesome. Little stain looks cool. Shoe looks amazing. You have this hidden lace protection right here. If you put these bottom two laces right behind that lace protection, that will protect your bottom two laces from popping, or I guess your laces from popping in the bottom two holes, because it's the same lace throughout. Science, guys. I think this is pretty cool. Here is your selection of biscuits on the back of your tongue label, which is pretty awesome. And then as you can see, the sock liner and the insole, which we'll take a look at the insole a little bit better in a minute, but it all has that cookie print all over it, which looks pretty epic. Also, you got these Lycra tongue straps and memory foam heel pods still in this little heel cup to hold you in your shoe super well when you're pushing, when you're skating, so your foot's not slipping around. You know, you don't want to slip around. Go watch the Note video. This one came out in 2021. There's probably newer stuff. Definitely worth checking out, though. You got a bunch of different, depending on how much milk you put in your tea. I drink coffee. Does tea get this dark? We're going to pretend it does. So imagine you put some cream in your tea and it just kind of vibes like that, or it vibes like this. Yeah, black tea. That's a thing. I drank some black tea today. And here you go, and your strengths of your brews. Look at that, explaining the laces right there. You've got some different strengths. So this is terrible right here. You're just drinking all milk. I don't know why you would do that. So I'm like down here in this little dark zone. No sugar, no cream, baby. That's the way it goes. And then here is your little white lace with, looks like silver aglets. So that's pretty cool, something a little different. Alrighty, here you go. Here are your sock liners or your insoles. The sock liner of your insole right here. Nike SB, Note branding on this one. Note Manchester. And then all your little cookies right here. If that's a vegan chocolate chip cookie, I'm all over that right there. So I don't know, maybe some Oreos. These are real biscuits. I'm not playing with no dang Oreos. What's up? So there you go. This is your sock liner with Note branding. And this is your sock liner with Nike SB branding. But you do have it on the cookies. You see Note and SB branding throughout. Pretty cool. On the bottom side of this, you got Pour-On right here for extra shock absorption. And then you've got this little honeybee right there, so you might put some honey in your tea if you are so inclined. On your Zoom airbag, which I really like these Zoom these little heel pods under your, yeah, I like those things. Pretty good stuff. I like these insoles. Sometimes I swap these out in my other shoes because they're padded, but they're not too thick. You know, like sometimes you need that padding without all the height. So this is what I go with. And this little thing, it treats me well. I like it. So I think that's it. No, it's not. Let's go ahead and show you this. This is probably the major detail right here is your swooshes do Velcro off, and you can see the little cookies through the Velcro right there. It's pretty awesome. And then you can swap out your swoosh for, you know, different fit, or maybe just match your favorite cookie right there, like kind of a waffle cone on the outside of your shoe right there. Looks pretty good. So and then also just go ahead and look at one of the brown ones as well. You have like a different texture on all of your swooshes. So here's the one that came with it. Kind of more of a traditional biscuit feeling vibe. And then this one might be your chocolate covered cookie biscuit. You know, I'm sorry, it's the United States right here. So I think cookie, but it's biscuit. I lived in Australia for a while. They were called biscuits there too. I went to high school in Australia, in Adelaide. I think that's it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. So we're probably going to do a raffle. Pay attention to Blue Tile SC on Instagram. Guys, I know it's crazy. We've been doing raffles still. It's easier to do a raffle if you're local and you see us doing a raffle. Just come in. Join the raffle. It's super easy. All you got to do is sign your name, size, phone number. And that way we can take care of our locals. In the Deshaun Jordan release that we just had, most of our locals hit, and we only released like 3 or 6 shoes. 3 shoes in Columbia, and I think maybe 6 shoes in Charleston made it to the website. So maybe that's too much information. I don't know. We didn't get as many of those Deshaun's, and we didn't get that many of these. But pay attention. Come to the raffles and understand the reason we do the raffles is so we take care of our locals. And then we can have some for online and know what we're going to put online without like overselling. You know what I mean? That's it. That's all. I guess that's it. We're closing out on the note video one more time. Blue Tile SC on Instagram for release information. We're probably going to do a raffle. We might not, but we'll see you guys next time. All the best. Love Blue Tile. And yeah, what's your favorite biscuit? In the comments below. What do you guys think of these things? Dude, these things look crispy. Not even because they're biscuits. Peace. Goodbye.